Hey guys, Animus Travels here with late breaking and breaking news. So, this morning there were two earthquakes that happened. One at 4:05 a.m., which was a 5.57, or maybe a 5.70. I'm not exactly sure. Because I don't remember. And then later on, there was a 4.70 quake that happened at 5:57 or 54 a.m. One happened in, if I read it right, it looked to be the short area for Oregon. And then the other one happened here in California. The 4.71 happened here in California, and the 5.701 happened off the coast of Oregon. And near either Crescent or sorry, it's hot, so it's hard for me to remember at the moment, and it's and I can't find it at the moment. And yes, I have checked by pulling it up on the internet. Oh, now I remember, Carson City. Either Carson City or Crescent City. But if you don't fully believe me, go ahead and look it up for yourself. The timestamps for those quakes, like I said, the first one was at 4:05 a.m. and the second one happened around 5:57 a.m. Now for the breaking news, which I'm sure a lot of people have probably heard about by now. This is from Bakersfield. California, I believe. A military officer was gunned down and killed by police and FBI agents after he took 10 hostages at a business office and school company. The police and FBI agents found at least 5 of those hostages tied up. None of them were injured. And I'm not exactly sure what this military officer wanted. Either he was suffering from depression or he just snapped. All I know is that whatever happened to him that caused him to do this is terrible, not only to those who knew him, but to his family as well, because I'm sure they tried to help him out, as well as military medical personnel has probably done as well. Well, this is gonna be it. I have other videos being downloaded right now that I've made recently. Well, that I'm trying to download and post. So you'll get those soon. Till next time, guys, stay tuned.